Good day everyone. So my name is Jesrel G. Menyosa. I will be the one to discuss the Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act of RA 7836 and its amendments RA 9293. Introduction. Republic Act number 7836, also known as the Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act of 1994, is a law that regulates and professionalizes the teaching professions in the Philippines. It mandates that all aspiring teacher must have passed the licensure examination for teachers or LET to ensure competence and uphold educational standards. So this means that in this law states na kinahanglan all the teachers must undergo the LET examination to have their illegitimacy. Importance of RA 7836. Number 1, ensures teacher competency. Only qualified educator can teach in public and private school. Number 2, promotes professional developments, establishes a code of professional conduct for teachers. Number 3, uphold education quality, strengthening the foundation of the Philippine education. So the importance of RA 7836 in general, this means that all teacher must undergo and LET so they can be recognized a professional teacher, and also to promote and conduct the professionalism of a teacher, and to promote the quality or to strengthen the quality or the foundation of our education here in the Philippines. Okay, so overview of RA 7836. So, ang RA 7836 na-attach siya on December 16, 1994 and this RA is regulating bodies: Professional Regulation Commission or PRC, Board for Professional Teachers BPT, and also primary purpose: establish a mandatory licensure for teachers, regulates the standards of teaching practice in the Philippines. Okay, key provision of RA 7836. There are three provisions of RA 736. These are licensure examination for teachers or LET, number 2, qualification requirements for teachers, and number 3, code of professional conduct. So, under the license examination for teacher or LET is all teacher must pass the LET before they can practice, and administrated by the PRC through the BPT. Okay, so the qualification requirements for teachers: must be a Filipino citizen, must possess a bachelor's degree in education or equivalent. 3, must be of good moral character and mental and physically fit. So meaning there's a qualification for requirements for teacher. That doesn't mean that if makapasa ka sa board exam or makapasa ka sa LET, pwede na dahil ka matagaan ng provision sa law na 786, because this stated that there are provisions that you must gain before ma-under ka ni na law, which means that you must be a Filipino citizen, you must possess a bachelor's degree, and also mentally and physically fit ka. Okay, so number 3, code of professional conduct. So this means that establishing ethical standards for teaching. So pasabot ani, establishing an ethical standard for teaching. So meaning from the word ethical standard, dapat as a teacher kabalo bitaw ka, you must know how to communicate well to your student and also to your co-teachers. Number 2, violation can lead to suspension or revocation of a teacher's license. So being a teacher or being an educator, there are some limitation or daay mga butana di jud dapat buhaton as a teacher, and can lead to violations, or suspension or revocation of a teacher's license. Okay, number 3. Let's move on to the next slide. So, RA 9293 amendments to RA 7836. So, inattached on April 21, 2004. Purpose of the amendments: addresses teachers' shortages, easier restriction for professional entering the teaching field. Okay, so key amendments. Number 1, exception from LET. Teachers in higher education is institution or HES with a master's of doctorate degree in their field no longer need to take the LET. Number 2, specialized professional allowed to teach. Science, math, and other special field graduate can teach without taking the LET. Number 3, insurance of special permit for foreign teachers. Qualified foreign educator may teach in the Philippines. So, according to the law in RA 9293, or according to the law of RA 7836, di ba, gingon man dirian na, ang isa ka teacher, before siya makahimong professional teacher, before siya makatudlo, kanang naa siya anang need sa niya mo take ng LET before siya makatudlo. Then after niya ma-take ang LET, so allow na siya motudlo sa private and public sectors diri sa teaching field, which is the TEPED, CHED, or any private sector. But there is sa RA 9293 gi-amend man siya, so diri ipasabot na pwede na ang isa ka individual, pwede na sila motudlo without taking the LET kung naa sila ni ng mga classification, which is number 1, exception from LET. So teacher in higher education institution, so meaning katong mga naa sila mga master degree or doctorate degree, pwede na sila mo teach bisan wala sila kapasar sa LET o wala pa sila nakatake ng LET. Number 2, katong mga na-specialize na mga subject or major, which is science, math, and other specialized field na nakagraduate, pwede sila mahimong teacher without, or pwede sila mosulod sa mga sa kanang mga private sector or public sector sa pagtudlo without taking the LET. So number 3, insurance of special permit of foreign. So other foreign teachers na kumutudlo sila diri sa Pilipinas, pwede sila matudlo without taking the LET. Okay. So conclusion and recommendation naman na wala pa. So unsa ni siya kay nabungkag siya guys, pasensya. Okay, so impact and implication. Positive impact: increase professionalism, strengthen the standard of teachers to more expert in education, encourage professional from various fields to teach. So ang iyang positive impact is daghan na yung mga non-licensed teacher or professional teacher ang makatudlo bisan wala pa sa kapasar sa LET. Then mas matagaan og encouragement ang mga gusto magtudlo, or those person they wanted to teach or they wanted to apply in DepEd or in public sector, mas matagaan sila encouragement na motudlo or mo-take na trabaho. Okay, so challenges or implication, challenges or mga challenges. Okay, so let accessibility issues. Many aspiring teachers struggle to pass due to lack of resources. Okay, debate over LET exemption. Same argument of the LET exemption lower teacher standards. Conclusion and recommendation. So conclusion and recommendation, basahan na ako niya. RA 7836 and RA 9293 significantly improves teacher quality in the Philippines. However, issues like licensure, accessibility, and Fairness remain. Recommendation. Improve teacher training. Okay, strengthening the LET preparation program. 2. Update SLET content. 3. Expand teacher support program. And 4. Strengthen professional development. Okay, that's all. Thank you.